So you probably can tell where I'm headed to. I'm headed to Marshall's, and I thought I'd film and share with you what I see. So I'm just gonna grab a cart because it's always easier for me when I have a cart to put my purse down and be able to film for you guys. There's a display here with purses, and that's where I'm headed to first. Some really nice looking purses. Now they don't look like these are not marked down. I know that Winners and Marshalls currently has a really big sale on their purses, so I will take a look and find the other section that will be marked down. But these are really nice looking. I like this inside, it's really pretty. So one's a little lighter than the other. Some pink blush purses. Still color is still in this year, I guess. I like this one almost. It's more like a tan color. I can't open it. Oh. Who carries a red purse? Do you grab it often? I don't think I have ever owned a red purse, but they are just so pretty to look at. Oh, I think I spotted a table filled with some markdowns. So this one here says as is. Not sure if there's something missing. Maybe the long strap. Super cute purses. Oh, I actually like the one behind. It's practical. With the front pockets. Oh, it's got a cute print. I'm just not loving the gold on it. Oh, and it's a little pricey still. Yikes. But yeah, it's got a cute print on it. So this brand Under One Sky is available at Indigo, and you're going to pay so much more money for it. And I'm just just finding them. Oh, I'm gonna grab this one for my daughter. This is too cute. I wonder if she'd prefer the one with unicorns. Oh, no, I think she would like the purple one. The little purse is sweet too. So these are all marked down. But yeah, Under One Sky is found at Indigo, and they're so expensively marked. find that every year, a few weeks after Christmas, that's when the really big markdowns happen. So you'll see that there'll be tables or end caps that will have a lot of these red stickers. So this giant bottle is $9. And I was just at my local Winners, and they also had some really nice diffusers on sale, but they were even less expensive than here. So it really depends where you're going. Each store marks their things down, I guess, according to their own. I'm not sure, like their markdown prices, they choose what they're going to do. Well, I guess this is Marshall, so maybe it's a little bit priced differently, but like these items were all there as well. I think some of these things were $7 at Winners. This is cute little carrying case, super sparkly. This is so interesting to me. So all of these diffusers were at Winners and they were all marked down, and they're not marked down here. So I'm really surprised at how they do this. What a nice sign. When I start to see flip-flops and sandals hanging at stores, I'm just like, yes, spring and summer are on their way. These Birkenstocks are really cute color. I'm just looking here for my son. It's always nice to have a nice priced pair of kicks for him. He loves Adidas shoes, so I'll take a peek around and see if there's anything that stands out to me. We will probably see in the next couple weeks that the sweaters will start to kind of get marked down, depending on what style, of course. If they're thicker, I like this line. I'm not familiar with it, but so far the clothes that I've seen under that Cyrus brand they're really cute outfits or tops. Kappa's back. This was like so popular when I was a teen. And the fuzzy sweaters are really in, right? These super plushy, shaggy looking sweaters. Oh, this little lamp is super cute for my daughter's room. It's got like a mermaid scale and it's the perfect pink. This trolley is really pretty, like for a pantry, the kitchen, even your craft room. It wheels nicely, but oh boy, that's a little expensive. It's staying right there. that was a totally different type of shop with me. It was my first time filming for you guys in Marshalls. I hope you enjoyed walking around with me. If you like these types of videos, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know if you like to see other things besides Dollar Tree when I'm out and about. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day, and thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.